have the 1MZ-FE engine that I wanted to do spark plug. So first you have to remove the cowling. Just remove the few bolts all around the cowling, and also remove the wiper arms. You have to disconnect the electrical connector to the wiper motor first before you remove the cowling. Next, remove the two Phillips screws holding this vacuum valve, and then you can flip it away. Also remove the ground. There are two ground wires connected to this. You can undo the nut. Disconnect the PCV. I just replaced the PCV with a new one. You can see the connector for the coil. You can use the 10mm wrench to undo this bolt. Then you can remove the coil. This is the connector to the coil. On this side we have these two wires that you can get them out of the way. Now you can stick your hand into the hole to access the coil. One right here and the other one just on the left side of it. Here's number 1, number 3, and number 5 all the way on the right side. Here's number 5.